Boeing 777X is a beast, but watching it take off like this is just unreal. This experimental jet shows off its insane power with a steep climb at Farnborough Airport. You don't see this every day. Landing at Madeira is already tricky, but add some serious crosswinds and it gets even crazier. Watch as this RYANAIR pilot fights the wind for a smooth touchdown. Will they nail it? This Aerosucre 727's takeoff did not go as planned. The jet used almost the entire runway.